Frustrated with the CMFP client Zlib Windows API DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. To start fixing CMFP client Zlib Windows API manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the CMFP client Zlib Windows API, frequently found in localized game engines and indie titles to house a specific wrapper for the Zlib Compression library. It manages the hardware abstraction layer for decompressing game assets. If missing, the game will fail to initialize, reporting resource module not found at the splash screen. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The presence of CMFP client Zlib Windows API DLL is mandatory for Zlib Compression, custom Path Shim, to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite. With the error, we'll resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including CMFP client Zlib Windows API, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install CMFP client Zlib Windows API DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing CMFP client Zlib Windows API. To keep CMFP client Zlib Windows API running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.